Hello, I am Siam Ahnaf. I am a senior web and mobile app developer. Today, I am announcing an exciting news that from now on, I will upload video tutorials regularly on my channel. So I finally decide to change my channel name to Webinuxs. From now, I will upload all new video under our new channel name. I have 7 years of experience in web development and 1 year of experience in mobile app development. I am here with my experience to create outstanding tutorial for web and mobile app development. So keep your eye on every Friday. You will get video tutorial on latest and trending languages and frameworks such as Next.js, React.js, Node.js, GraphQL, Nest.js, and Flutter. If you need help on your next project, hire me. I am available to work any remote work on any project. Visit my website and message me on WhatsApp. So, these are my contact information. Visit our website for more details. See you on this Friday with new video tutorial.